Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is our first ride on TVS Apache 160. We were heading towards Kumta, Mirjan, Gokarna. So you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you will like the vlog.
Hello everyone. So officially राइड के लिए निकल चुके हैं. ये पेट्रोल स्टेशन पर पहुंच के पेट्रोल डालेंगे. पीछे गाड़ी आ गई.
So after a long drive of more than 60-67 kilometers, we reached Mirjan Fort. We didn't drive continuously. We had a break in Mudeshwar Eco Beach, and we just had some photo shoot in Eco Beach. Then directly we reached here Mirjan Fort. We had a great experience partner, which is Asil Shabandari. He already visited there, so it was our easy with the help of map. We reached there by time as we expected. It was like around 10 because we left from Butkal 7:30 in the morning, and it was there like 10 we was there. We just chilled some time there and we went ahead. We just enjoyed the vlog. The vlog is getting so long, so I would like I'm gonna show some photos and videos of here. Then I'm gonna end. In the next vlog we have visited some other place. You will get to know. So you guys just enjoy. I don't know how to shoot cinematics, but how much I shoot it, I have edited here. So you guys just enjoy the vlog. Thank you.
That is